I'll talk for hours about it.
Yeah.
It's changed my life, and it's changed the lives of many people. But, you know, it's great. It's great what it does. Our purpose is to provide great smiles, but there is so much more to it, Dave. You know, one of the impacts it's had has been on my team as well. Do you know what? My team doesn't like having to go into the credit conversation and say, no, I'm sorry, we can't do that. Do you know how excited you were? Too bad, let's shut it down.
Oh, man.
They get to say yes now where they could never say yes before. And I've watched, not only do I watch my patients cry when they say, you know what, I've been to 4 dentists and you're the only person that's given me an option that said yes. And they send their friends, they send their family, and that's a great moment, don't get me wrong.
Right.
But then to see my team teared up and crying with them, because you know what, just because they aren't dentists doesn't mean that they're not there to have a purpose and an impact in what we do.
Right.
And there they get to see for the very first time often that they have a purpose, and that this product has been such a powerful tool for us to change lives. Patients, teams, and then even for our dentists. I have 25 different dentists inside my group.
Right.
And for them, it's been an extraordinary way for me to help build their practice and also focus them on the fact that, hey, you know what? We're figuring out a way to do things for people and change the world.